Hello and welcome back for our short explanatory video. This is how it works. In this three-part series, I'll be showing you how we at SEW automate a 5-axis horizontal form fill and seal machine. In this first part, we'll be preparing the machine's axis here in the office. I'll be showing you how you can use our solution package to parameterize the components and how easy it is to jog the first axis in manual mode. Here you can see our MOVI-C startup tool. We've activated planning mode, making it easy for us to carry out the initial steps in the office. We've already opened the automation framework master project. You can see the starter projects for our controllers and our master templates for the machine modules. We're using a MOVI-C controller UHX65 for the form fill seal machine, so we start by deleting all other controllers. Clicking the plus sign opens the tree structure, and we can see that the controller already contains a sample project with a simple conveyor and pocket belt. We don't need these machine modules for our form fill and seal machine, so we delete them before going any further. We now put together our form fill and seal machine step by step. First of all, we take a virtual axis from the machine module template library. This axis is the timing master for all the other synchronized axes. Our form fill and seal machine has a rotating sealing roller, and we can simply copy and paste the suitable axis module, including the camming. You can see MOVI-Kit camming in the bottom half. You will now also see the yellow triangle. MOVISUITE is telling us we need to re-parameterize the master axis. We now have to assign the master correctly. To do this, we click our rotary knife controller functions and select camming. On the camming tab, we select master modulo. We now copy the axis 3 times and assign the appropriate names. Longitudinal seal for longitudinal sealing, cross seal for the sealing roller, output conveyor for the output conveyor, and the pocket chain for the timing chain with the product pockets. This is what you should end up with. All we need now is the foil takeoff axis, a single speed-controlled axis. We select conveyor speed control from the master templates and call the axis foil. Lastly, we delete the master templates and are left with the finished structure. 1 virtual axis with MOVI-Kit multimotion, 4 axes with MOVI-Kit multimotion camming, and 1 axis with MOVI-Kit velocity. The next step is to parameterize these axes. Given that we want to prepare as thoroughly as possible in the office, we'll set the parameters in advance. To do so, we replicate the mechanical drivetrain in MOVISUITE and select the encoder, motor, gearbox including gear ratio, the feed constant, and the user units from the database. We repeat this process for all axes. When the values are transferred to the inverter, MOVISUITE suggests adjusting further parameters. For the timing chain, we can parameterize a pocket length of 254 mm for the modulo value to ensure later that 1 master cycle corresponds exactly to 1 slave modulo value. We've now reached the point where we can connect the SEW-EURODRIVE components in the switch cabinet for the first time. Welcome back. Thanks to our detailed preparations in the office, we are ready to start up in just a few minutes. We switch to startup mode and perform the network scan. Step by step, we now simply connect the controller and the scanned axis to the relevant components in the function view. This involves taking over the parameters we prepared on the computer. The right half of the third double axis remains unused, and we drag it into the function view without MOVI-Kit. We can carry out the first function test straight away in manual mode. If the wiring is okay, we can move straight onto testing the connected mechanical elements too. Besides speed-controlled mode, there is also an option for selecting position-controlled mode and cycle mode, which is ideal to determine the inertia load and to optimize the closed-loop system's parameters. That was really fun, and we were able to prepare a lot of things in the office in advance at the planning stage using MOVISUITE. Thanks to the excellent work of our colleagues, the axis worked instantly, enabling us to focus all our efforts on the programming. In the second video, I'll be showing you just how quickly we can use the program to jog the axis thanks to the automation framework from SEW-EURODRIVE. See you soon.